Welcome, and phone is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 2, and today I will show you how to remove the battery from the device. So we can start off by powering off the device, hold the power key and select power off. And then we can flip it over, and you'll see this little lock right here, so you want to get a coin. So it goes in like so, as you can see, it is in there, and just twist it till it goes to the other side, and now we can pop it off like this. Okay, and then you get an access to the battery, so you can just push it down like this and out, and it will come out. So that's how you take it out. And from here you have access also to SIM card like this, and also the memory card, as you can see. So, and to put it back in, you want to make sure that, as you see on the battery, you have those little pins here. Align them with the ones right here. Push it down and into the device. And then when you're putting back the cover, just make sure that you start with the top of the cover. And it has little like hooks right here and here. And they basically have to lay flush here, the top, so pushing it on, make sure that they are correctly placed. So give me a moment. Okay, so like this, so there is no gap here, otherwise the device won't be closed correctly. And then once it's laying flush from the top, you can just go around and kind of squeeze it together so it snaps into place everywhere, and then take the coin again and just lock it, as you can see, and it should be flush everywhere. There shouldn't be any protrusions, so yeah, and you can just turn back on the device and it should work fine. As you can see, the device is back on. So that is basically how you remove the battery, open the case and close it again. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.